I'm looking at the headlines now. That XRP story, it hit a new milestone of 5.2 million active wallets for XRP. So we saw the positive there. So some positive sentiment around it. Also, we'll be looking at post-ETF market trends. It's not just about the halving. And also, JP Morgan is advising cautious approach at this time as we see some movement, not so good movements on Bitcoin and some others. So post ETF market trends and all of that. So to discuss some of this with us is Onua. I think I'll call him my Friday customer. Onua, good afternoon. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so let's talk about the XRP achieving a new milestone at a time when we see that the market doesn't have very encouraging price trend at this time. Do we know why it seems XRP is receiving some attention?
Yeah, currently the market is consolidating and retracing after a certain approval of the ETF that was done in US and Hong Kong. So we see market trying to go back to its previous low, trying to consolidate before it gets a new high. So people are looking at other altcoins, and there have been a watch on XRP because right from time XRP, owned by this company called Ripus, has been in the spotlight. People have actually been looking at it. So, but recently it started getting attractions, and within the last 24 hours, it had about $1.something billion transactions in terms of volumes. So that has actually spiked the number of wallets that has been created, and those that actually had it before have actually upgraded to that effect.
Yeah, and then the post-ETF market trends. What's the trend?
ETF market trend is it has been a double-sided way. The ETF actually has given more investors opportunity to come into the market space of crypto. So, but at the same time, too, the ETF too has given a lot of newcomers an opportunity to have more confidence in the market. So that's why you see the market currently now is doing a form of retracement, preparing newcomers to come into the market.
And then JP Morgan is asking that, let's be cautious, because naturally, since we see the price of Bitcoin, for instance, dropping, Ethereum is less than 3,000, Bitcoin has lost the 60,000 level. This could have been a good time for investors to hop into the market and waiting for a bull run. But why is JP Morgan asking for caution?
Yeah, it is expected by JP Morgan to bring out that statement. It's true. There are a lot of we have so many newcomers actually that don't know how the system works and how the bull run actually is expected to take off. Normally, a bull run normally takes a couple of months before, and we will see some certain sentiment to be able to push the market to the upside. So, but currently now, a lot of expectation is more than what the market is actually showcasing on the price action. So that's why there's everybody has to use some form of caution. The market cannot move, but you can't force the market. The market cannot move by the way you want it to move, like just because after the halving or after the, so you should just expect the market to just move. So we expect them to exercise patience. Market is patient, so that by the time it's time, the market will move exponentially up.
Yeah, but we have individuals like Elon Musk that can move the market. What do you think can move the market at this time? We're waiting for job creator.
When it comes to Elon Musk moving the market, it's very strategic. He does it in such a way that he doesn't want to just make any move that can spike the market. He has a way of doing it. Currently now, every token and every coin is on the sideways movement. So, but by the time it moves, Bitcoin is just the brain behind all the coin. So when Bitcoin moves down and breaks a new high, normally we're expecting Bitcoin. It dropped exponentially, very, very low recently. So we're expecting to move in about breaking the last resistance to an uptrend for other coins to actually follow suit. So that's why we have to be a little bit careful and wait for the market to move.
So would you say that this is a resistance level, or do you see a continuous drop at least over this weekend?
Yes, there will be a little drop. But the drop is still falls down under what we call retracement. Retracement means that currently Bitcoin and other altcoins, within the same project are currently bullish. I repeat, currently bullish. So, irrespective of what we are seeing at the market right now, it means that we are still bullish until it breaks the last low of the last price that Bitcoin was before it actually came up to this high. So whatever we're seeing right now in a monthly time frame level, the Bitcoin is actually on a bullish trend. What we're seeing currently is a retracement from the market. So also with other altcoins that follow suit. So as long as the market has not gone below what we expect that will make the market to reverse. There's a difference between the market reversing and the market retracing. Retracing means that the market will retrace, it will come down a bit and more downward trend for a while before continuation of the uptrend. But a total reversal is market breaking the last very low of the market and for us to give us a possible reversal and the market heading towards downside. But for now, market is bullish. We just need to some exercise patience and we'll see the trend going to up there. Bitcoin will actually hit the high of over 100,000 as we speak before the end of the year, irrespective of what the market does. Because in the market, sometimes you say this market, a lot of panic buying and panic selling. You want to sell that token, and after some time, that you now see market going to the same direction that you have earlier envisaged. So currently now, there has to be patience in the market.
All right, Noah. So I know for some viewers, the last thing, the only thing that we hear is Bitcoin will hit 100,000 before the end of the year. And if it doesn't, we know your address. We will get you.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your perspective on the program.